Lay down. Lay down. Go lay down. Oh, I almost forgot it. But this is my kitchen if y'all are new. I don't know why. I'm pretty much gonna be baking over here. And then over here, to the right, I'm gonna have, I thought I would need a rolling pin, but this recipe, you only need a rolling pin if you're like trying to flatten out the dough to like cut them. This is going to be a sugar cookie or bake with me type thing. So we're going to have fun. I need to get out my mixer that I get to use, that I haven't used since the beginning of the year. One of my quarantine purchases. And they look gross. Now I gotta wash these. Okay. So, now I can actually see. 2/3 cups all-purpose flour. So, do this. I'm just gonna use one of these because this is the biggest spoon that I have. This is gonna be a lot of cookies. 3/4. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I think it's weird that baking soda is in a lot of stuff because, you know, that I clean with that and it just doesn't seem right. And this is the baking powder. I'm gonna get the 1/2 teaspoon. Okay. And I believe you put those ingredients in first. Flour, baking soda, and baking powder. And then I'm gonna mix it around, but you set it aside. You know what we're also gonna do? We're also gonna put in a little bit of salt because it does not ask for salt. And that's kind of weird because I like to put salt in my cookies because it tastes really good when you just have a little bit of salt in there. Butter, sugar, egg, and then vanilla flavoring. Okay, in a large bowl, cream together the butter and the sugar. Gradually, so I need all of this in this smaller bowl so I can add it to the bigger bowl later. I have to do a whole cup of butter. This recipe is not sounding any healthy at all. Gosh, that's a lot of butter. And I do need it. 1.5 cups white sugar. Worry about the 1 egg and 2 teaspoons. To mix it together so that I didn't have to sit here and mush it all together for so long. But yeah. So far looking good. I'm gonna do our one egg. that I did, I don't know, they came out kind of hard, and they're really hard to take off the pan, but when you eat them, you can hold, you know, like a regular cookie and eat it. But I had to do it for like 15 minutes, and I should have done it for like 12 minutes or 10 minutes. But even when you do that, they come out fine, but you also have to let them cool on the sheet, like the cookie sheet. You gotta let them cool just for a little bit so that you can put them on the rack, and then they harden on the rack. Because my cookies, they look like they're a little bit crumbly coming off the rack, but or coming off the sheet, but once I put them on the rack, they were totally fine. But I don't know, all this is weird to me. Okay, so I'm learning. Instead of a teaspoon, I should have done a tablespoon, because these were like more than a teaspoon. Like I pretty much put 2 teaspoons, but I could have done a tablespoon, and they came out perfect, and they're nice, perfect little cookies. So I made this box and another box for my family. I wish I had enough to make just one more batch, but I really have this much. So I might stop at the store tomorrow, might not. So, don't know. Because it's a lot of cookies, but I feel like I need to make more. But it's too late to go anywhere right now. It's really not that late, but I really don't want to go to the store. And I'm getting really tired. Need to clean the kitchen. I'm wiping everything off. I'm putting it on the floor now. Letting my vacuum cleaners lick it all up. So. But I'd say it was a success. They didn't burn. They didn't completely fall apart. They just had to cool down a little bit for them to stay together. So all in all, it was a great success. I need to charge my batteries for my camera tomorrow, because I'm gonna film my family's Christmas and take pictures with it. So, you know, gotta do all that fun stuff. So wish I still had more flour, but it's whatever. Maybe I'll make more. I don't know. Sugar cookies came out really good. These are like really soft. And I told Josh I wanted to make more. 1, because they're that good and I want to eat more. And 2, I want to give like our neighbors some, and I'm in a giving mood. Okay. Aren't we all during Christmas? So I made jambalaya for Josh, or I didn't make it, my Mimi made it. And so I brought some home from last night, because I went to my grandmother's house, as you know, I filmed, and she gave me some jambalaya. It's in the microwave. But we're about to watch Skin Master since...
Skin Master?
Yeah. It sounds weird, but it's legit Skin Master. Because I thought it was Skin Masters, but it's Skin Master. No, Tattoo Master is what I'm talking about. We've been watching Tattoo Master. But it is Skin Wars.
She has a hard time with words.
I have a hard time with everything now.
I know, you had a hard time with words before you got here.
But we're about to lay down for the night. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I cannot get focused. So
like and subscribe because I say so.
Yep. Thank you for watching. Good night.
I'll turn your gas off if you don't. That's what I do.